This as several communities in North Trinidad were impacted by flash flooding as a tropical wave continues to move across the island. According to residents, 45-year-old William Ramlogan and his sister, 44-year-old Teresa Lynch of La Pastora village, were both trying to cross a river that burst its banks. Miss Lynch slipped and fell into the water, and her brother attempted to rescue her, but the currents slammed his body into some rocks. Flooding was reported in Tunapuna, Trin City, St. Augustine, Arima, Sangre Grande, Toco, Manzanilla, and along the Churchill-Roosevelt Highway, where vehicles on the eastbound lane were last seen attempting to get onto the westbound lane to avoid flood waters. Several schools dismissed classes for the day and advised the parents to make arrangements to pick up their children.
What we have also happening is a number of the water courses, of course, being overflown with water. We have some damage to some houses, etc. We have a number of our vehicles on standby right now. We have some backhoes out in the field working, clearing some of the debris, helping to clear some of the roadways. We have some water trucks that will come tomorrow, of course, once the water subsides.
That one hurt me because I'm a transport for me to move about. What I go do? I have to walk the road now. From a little boy growing up, this river take away about 10 cars. During the years.
Not too far off, a resident said it was unlike anything he had seen in the area for over 10 years.
Honestly, this is the worst. This is the worst for sure. It had one similar, but this one here is definitely it. Mash up the railings and yeah, this is more destruction than anything else I've seen so far.
The fragments on a rock already. Yeah? Yeah, that's on the bonnet.
The river definitely.
Mm-hmm.